Hello and welcome. My name is Kiri. I'm the general manager at Digicore, and it's my pleasure today to run you through some training videos on our fleet portal, which is called video.digicore. Now, some of you may know that we migrated to a newer version of the platform in July this year, 2024. And so we do have to go through all of the videos again, which is great. It gets some time for me to refresh all of this with you. So on the homepage, once you log in, and we would have given you a login through your onboarding, you will see this. And this is a quick summary of your trips that have been going on. And it sort of summarizes them there as distracted, drowsy, forward collision, harsh acceleration, that type of thing. Across the top, you got the number of trips in that period. So the date range at the moment is from the 12th of September to the 18th. So 5 or 6 days. And if you want to, you can sort of go through those and summarize what you want to see more. Now, there's a whole section on tags in configurations, which we'll go into another video later. And that helps you to organize all your content that's on here to make it easier for people to find things. So we'll get into that. The events, they can also be filtered. So for example, if I wanted to bring up just the drowsy driving in that period of time, I just click on that and it brings up all the videos that relate to drowsy driving. Same with speed limit violations. Any speed limit violations it's considered, then it will bring that up as well. And then you can sort of view it. There's like a little preview. You can just sort of scroll over it and start seeing. And then it's got like a little summary there of the speed sign versus the speed that the driver was doing, in which case this is all me. So it's nice and easy to see. The event summary down here is a little pie chart, basically a nice little colorful way of showing you what was done most in this instance in that period of time. Harsh cornering, there was 23% of that. Speed limit violations, 18%. Forward collision was 15%, and so on. Then over here, you've got a quick summary. Really, as a trend, you can see quite quickly where stop sign violations, for example, peaked. And now if I wanted to get rid of all this, I can, and it just gives me an overall trend for that period. So it went up, and then over a few days, it started to go right down. And if I just want to focus on those, I can as well. And it gives me a little summary. So that's the homepage. Your coachable drivers live here, the top drivers. So the more and more driving is done, you can actually begin to almost reward drivers for their good driving behavior. And that sits there. And there's a little summary on how that works. So the ones with the fewest violations, you can create reward programs for them, that type of thing. And then the coachable drivers, we've got a whole section on coaching. So the new platform's really geared to helping drivers become better and picking up on their behaviors that they may just do because they're in the car and they just don't realize. So the idea is to help them become better drivers. And that's a whole other section to run through. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.